Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I have got a new bulk box that I want to share with you guys, and I'm going to open it right now. So let's give you the specs of this bulk box. I ordered it on April 25th, 2018. It literally took like one day to get here. I think maybe a day and a half. But it is a Bath & Beauty Head & Shoulders Secret Philips. It says the original retail is $3,600. I paid $260 for it, and that. But with shipping, it was shipping and tax. It was $298.70. So there's 107 items in here. So roughly $2.50, I'd say, about an item. So let's go ahead and get in here, and we'll open it up and see what we got. Try not to chop my finger off. Alrighty. So we've got mostly shampoo is the reason I bought this. The Head & Shoulders, I think there's 48 Head & Shoulders in here. And there's Head & Shoulders men. For whatever reason, it seems like some of the men's products sell better online for me. And so I'm just gonna start laying out all of the shampoos. And they're all Head & Shoulders men. And they were really, really good price as far as flippability on Amazon. Here is a Philips Norelco 2 times the blades. This was all brand new. This is a brand new box. So as you can see, it's completely sealed. Hopefully you can see that real good without a glare. Here is an Infinity Pro Conair Gold hair curler styler. These usually I cannot sell on Amazon, so I usually flip them on eBay. So here's some more shampoo. So obviously you can see the majority of my 107 is shampoo, but I knew that I could flip this for a good price. Amazon was not selling it, and I didn't have a lot of FBA competition. Here is basically gel inserts for your shoes. Here's some advanced dial soap. All right, here's a Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Radiant. Looks like, I don't know if that's body wash, probably. Here's a crazy lip smacker emoji. Looks like Cinderella, but it's an emoji Cinderella. Fab Feet foot pedals. This is basically a little foot pad that you put inside of your high-heeled shoes to give you a little bit of comfort on the ball of your foot. Here's some EOS. Cool thing about Health and Beauty is if you get it in brand new condition, if for some reason it doesn't sell, you can always just use it yourself, and that's one less thing you have to buy. Oh, here's another cute lip smacker. That one looks like it's Belle from Beauty and the Beast. Kind of scary looking. Here's some makeup, Maybelline 24 Hour, and I am ungated in the Maybelline category. Not everybody is ungated in Health and Beauty, and so, but you can sell Health and Beauty on eBay really well. Here's Speed Stick, Power Speed Stick, 2-pack. There's some more of those foot pads, so I got 2 of those foot pads that'll go in the high heels. Some more shampoo. I'm probably not going to unbox the whole shampoo just because you pretty much have seen it already. Here's another Belle lip smacker. Let's see. Kleenex. Kleenex, anyone? Crying? Allergy season? Kleenex. All right, we've got nail files. Glamour Salon Board nail files. Let's see, some more EOS. This box is a little beat up, so I'm not sure if I would want to sell that one new, but the EOS are brand new, so I'll have to see how are they listed. Here's some Secret Hawaiian Citrus, and it is completely sealed on the inside. Got some more of those Fab Feet foot pads for high heels. We've got some blister spray. So if you get blisters, there's some spray for your feet. Here's a Mickey Mouse lip smacker. Oh, I just noticed they're different on both sides. So if you look at that, there's his cute face. And then if I flip it over, he's got stars for eyes. So I bet that's the case with these ones too. Yep, she's sleeping there. This one, she's got hearts for eyes. Very cute. All right, Cutie Pie makeup set. So various different makeups in here, different colors. Looks like that's a gift set. Some more Fab Feet. So as you can see, everything's in really good condition. We've got some Lash Sensational mascara. I will have to check and make sure that that's not been opened. Here is some chapstick, My Little Pony chapstick. Another one of those Cocoa Radiant. I'm really glad that they put these in bags, because if that spilled, that would be a mess. Here is some more, let me see, what brand is this? Lip cream, NYX, NYX, NYX. Then we've got some Herbal Essence shampoo, and I'll check and make sure that these are all totally brand new and sealed. Here is one that's, I'm so glad they put in a bag, because if you zoom in real close, it opened. And there is shampoo or conditioner or whatever it's supposed to be, body wash everywhere inside this bag. And you can actually see the lid is snapped open. So thankfully, because it would have definitely ruined anything that has a paper product on here. So all my lip smackers, all my Fab Feet, that would have all been ruined had this not been put in a bag. So I'm thanking Bulk for putting in a bag. I'm bummered that it opened, because it probably was something I could have sold, but I don't know. All right, so then we've got a Sonic Oral-B toothbrush, an electric toothbrush. We've got a spin brush. This is a cartoon, I can't remember, Shimmer and Sparkle, I think. Yeah, Shimmer and Shine. Sorry, kids, spin brush, Shimmer and Shine. It's a new kind of TV show. Here's another lip smacker. This is Minnie Mouse. She's got a winky face and then a heart face. So that's neat. I might be able to actually sell that as a set. Looks like there used to be a Gold Bond in there. We'll see if it fell out somewhere. Cocoa Butter Moisturizing Cream. It is brand new. Box is a little bit smushed, probably because of all the extra heavy stuff that's in here, but cocoa butter. Let's see. We've got some more Fab Feet. I'm going to have some fabulous feet. All right. Infallible Pro Glow. What brand is this? L'Oreal makeup. It's kind of a foundation powder. Here is a foundation that looks like the lid popped off and it's open. So I'll have to check into that. Let me see. Was this a new box? I think it was. Brand new, yes. So I've had a couple of things that are broken. So I just addressed that with customer service and they usually handle it. Oxygenating bubble mask. That's brand new. So far though, I'm pretty pleased with the condition of a lot of this stuff. Here's some more of those EOS. So I've got 3 of those so far. Here's the Gold Bond that was supposed to go in this container. Rapid Relief Gold Bond Anti-Itch Cream. So that's what's supposed to go in here. Box just got smushed. All right. More EOS, really fun. Here is Belle and Mickey Mouse again. I'm really excited about these. I didn't realize those were in the box. I bought it mostly for the Head & Shoulders Men stuff. Here is Maybelline Lasting Drama Eye Studio. So it's an eyeshadow and an eyeliner. Then I've got Cinderella. Lots of Cinderella. And then I've got Minnie Mouse again. Some more nail files. Let's see. Here's a regular EOS pack, just a blue and a pink kind. Some more Fab Feet. More Cinderella and Minnie Mouse. Let's see. We'll keep on going. More EOS. EOS sells really well, actually, believe it or not. So, and that's a nice 3-pack. So, some more allergy Kleenex. Seeing as how it's springtime. Let me see. This is a makeup Milani, M-I-L-A-N-I, and it looks like it's some sort of a lip gloss or a lipstick. So, That's a brand I've not sold yet, but we'll see if I can get ungated, because usually I can pretty quickly. Here's the lid to that broken one, so I'm going to keep it back here so I remember. Here's another one, just like it. Maybelline 24-hour foundation, and it looks like it's fair porcelain is the color. It looks like I got 2 of them there. Oh, let's see. I've got lots of shampoos in here. Uh-oh, here's a broken one. That one's open. So we'll have to make sure that I don't sell that one. But let's see, I got a brush in here. Looks like it got a little bit of the shampoo on it, but it won't take anything to just wipe that off. Foundation blurring brush is what it's called, ELF. Let's see, anything else in here? Yes, a few other things. Here is NYX lingerie lip gloss. So I'm getting tangled in my microphone cord here. All right, Afrin nasal spray. We'll just put that with the Kleenex, and there you go, allergy set. Let's see. I think that might be it. I'm gonna check out the inside of this box. Okay, I've got a illuminator, Maybelline illuminator, but I think the rest of what's in here is just Head and Shoulders shampoo. And so that's pretty much all that was in there. So I bought it mainly because I knew I could make all my money back on the Head and Shoulders shampoo. I'm really, really pleased to see all these Disney type of lip smacker, you know, Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse ice cream bar flavor. Ooh, yummy. What kind is this? Bibbidi Bobbidi Berry flavor. So fun little lip glosses, chapstick type things. So as you can see, everything's in really good condition. About 3 items that I have had questionable condition issues on, but almost everything else is in great condition, and I should be able to sell it really, really well. So I hope this has been helpful and you've learned a lot from what you get from a health and beauty box. So brand new from bulk.com. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.